Hello again, Indah Melinda Sari from WONEderland Consulting. I have over 10 years experience as a migration agent and was once a migrant myself. Please click subscribe to get all the best Australian immigration content and updates. I'm aware of how difficult this time has been for many of you, waiting on a visa, separated from the ones you love. There has been a lot of desperation and uncertainty, which we hear from our clients every day. But just know that we at WONEderland Consulting do our very best to give you the best advice we can and find whatever solutions we can for you, and we are always here for you. This pandemic has kept many of us apart from our loved ones. This has made it very difficult to meet the requirements of certain visa and the travel exemption to be able to see our nearest and dearest. We may have some good news for those of you that have been separated from your partners, however. For those of you who are not married and are trying to get a travel exemption or apply for a partner visa so that you can be with your partner, it has been difficult to meet the requirements of a de facto relationship because of the separation caused by the pandemic and the border closures. Specifically is the difficulty in meeting the shared household requirement, which may be easily disregarded if you are a married couple. Whether you are applying for a travel exemption or a partner visa, this requirement needs to be met. You might even have plans to get married, but the pandemic and border restriction have put your plans on hold for not being able to both be in the same country. Well, this may be something you could consider. In the US state of Utah, it is possible for two foreign nationals to get married through an online ceremony without having to be in the US or even be in the same country at the same time. Now, at this point, you may be probably asking, is proxy marriage a legalized form of marriage in Australia? Well, technically not. But if the marriage takes place legally accepted in an overseas country, in this case, in the state of Utah, it will most likely be accepted and under the Australian Marriage Act. So how is this legal and legitimate, and how does the process go? Let me explain all now. These three most important pieces of information we need to start out with when it comes to the online Utah marriages is you do not have to be US citizens. You do not have to be in US. In fact, you and your partner don't need to be in the same country. You do not have to be or having a US address. So how do these weddings take place and how can you do it? Well, it is as simple as registering online at the Utah State Government website, providing valid identification in the form of passports in general, paying a $70 as a fee. They will conduct a brief interview with the couple. Then, in about 10 days, they will issue you a certified copy of the marriage license. So is this legal under Australian law? The answer is yes, and I give a brief explanation as to how. So in Australia, a wedding where both parties are not physically present at the wedding, or proxy weddings, as they are called, are not legal in Australia. However, as is a signatory of the 1978 Hague Marriage Convention, which recognizes foreign marriages of all members. This, along with Section 88D of the Marriage Act Australian, recognizes overseas marriages. These foreign or overseas marriages are accepted as long as both parties give their consent and understand the commitment being made with no coercion taking place. Both parties are over the age of 18 The marriage is not prohibited relationship, not a close family member. Both parties are legally free to marry or not currently married. There are 2 witnesses present at the wedding. So as long as the marriage has met these criteria and is official under another country's laws, such as the US, then it will be recognized by Australia even if it is a proxy marriage. This wedding takes place directly through the Utah state government without third parties involved, so the validity is not in question. And though this is only taking place in Utah, as far as we know, you can be rest assured knowing that a marriage that takes place in one state is recognized in one state will be recognized across all the states in the US. This basically means that this marriage, although neither participant is present, is recognized across the country and in Australia, just the same as the marriage where both participants were there in person and the certificate you receive is no different. Now that we have the legal side explained and out of the way, let's get on to how this can help you and your partner in terms of visa application and exemptions. Like I said at the beginning of the video, aside from applying as a spouse, the other options in terms of partner visas are for those couples that are engaged or couples in a de facto relationship. At the moment, prospective marriage visa holders and applicants have been unable to enter Australia while the border restrictions are still in place, unless they can evidence themselves being in a de facto relationship so as to be considered an immediate family member so they can be exempted from the travel restrictions. This will assist in the ability to get a travel exemption, which can also allow you to possibly bring your partner to Australia on a visitor visa or applying for a partner visa. Be aware that there are still other proof of relationship needed as part of the application process. And just because you are now married does not mean you will automatically be granted a partner visa. Certainly, this process may be very helpful for same-sex couples where the non-citizen or PR is in a country that is not accepting or recognizing same-sex marriages and the same partner is unable to enter Australia to get married. As same-sex marriage are recognized federally or nationally in the US, then this will be a way for you to get married as a same-sex couple, and as discussed above, if it is recognized and approved, it will be accepted in Australia as well. As I already said, Australia allows travel exemption for immediate family members to an Australian citizen or permanent resident, such as a spouse. If you are separated from your partner at the moment and wish to bring them to Australia, we will recommend you consult with us to get the best possible information, as this may be an option for partner visa applications or travel exemptions, and it may be something that helps your application where other options are not available. You can find our contact details in the description and in the comments, so feel free to send an email or call with an inquiry, and our advisors will be there for all your visa needs. WONEderland Consulting is here to help you. As always, thank you for watching.